So the culture in here is a fun, fast-paced learning atmosphere, and they build you up, make you feel very confident.
Good culture, everybody's hardworking, we all get along, we all respect one another.
The culture here at iAIRE is very much family and team-oriented. We really step in to kind of provide the support that our employees need, both in the work as well as emotionally when they need that extra, you're doing a good job, you've done a great job. We really try to focus on the family and being a part of a team here.
The culture at iAIRE is something that I pretty much love about this company. When I first started, even though I didn't have no experience at HVAC or manufacturer at all, they welcomed me as somebody new for the family, and that's something that has helped me a lot throughout these 2 years, and I think that's why I still choose every day to work at iAIRE.
We've tried to build a culture at iAIRE around being like a family. We want employees to feel like they're treated like a family. We hope that they step up and cover things. We also hope that when they're in need, we also help them cover things as well when those things happen. We want people to feel like they're part of what's going on, no matter where they are in the organization, and feel like they have the ability to have some impact on what's happening in the business, regardless of the level that they're at.